So here we are at Morley Road, Abertillery. Beautiful part of the valleys. Look at that. It's really nice, the cloud coming over. Second renovation project. It's coming along very nicely. You see from all the rubbish, boys have been busy. So that's actually the back of the house. Here's the front. Two nice sized gardens. We haven't had the windows done yet. Work in progress. So previously there was a wall here, which we've taken down to make more light. We've made this a usable size for storage. Paint's done, new doors are on, the kitchen's been ordered, so that's coming soon. So it's going to come around like this with a breakfast bar here and a nice table here for dining. This is the front room. Well, it's a front room, living room. So we took all the skirts off and replaced those because previously we had the old skirts on, and they just get painted over because they're a nightmare to sand down and didn't look great. So it's really nice to have clean lines. Definitely recommend doing that. And upstairs. So the nice new windows really finish it off. So this one's a 3-bedroom. This is the only room with the skirts left to go. Look at that view though. It's beautiful around here. And just what every child's bedroom needs. A bath. So this is a storage room. We're debating whether or not we could turn that into a loo and have it as an ensuite. Because the stairs are there, we could have put the cistern behind the wall, which would give enough space. But it's a closet now. And the last room is the bathroom. Ta-da! Oh, does that work? No, doesn't. Love these tiles though. Really nice. It's really nice to touch. And there's a problem with the floor because it bows in the middle, so we can't tile it yet. We've got to get that straightened out. And then the bathroom goes in. Yeah, all good. Really pleased. Progress. I'd like it to happen a bit quicker, but we have had various lockdowns to deal with and stuff. But then everyone blames COVID for stuff, so I'm not going to do that. It was our fault. We should have got a move on. But yeah, it's going to be beautiful. Looking forward to seeing the final result.